Gold and silver, the world's oldest money. But most investors are making one fatal mistake. In today's video, I shall discuss not only gold and silver, but two new investment options you have never even heard of.
The rules of investing into gold and silver and other precious metals are changing very fast, and if you don't adapt to the procedure, you will be left behind. But don't worry, today I'll show you how to invest in gold, silver and other precious metals and not to waste any time. Let's start.
2005, gold was just 6,000 for 10 grams. A friend of mine had 1 lakh to invest. I told him, buy gold. He laughed and said, gold, it doesn't give dividends like stocks. Instead, he put his money in a promising stock at the time. Fast forward to 2025, that 1 lakh in gold would now be worth rupees 50 lakh.
And stocks? Gone, delisted, nothing. The company is bankrupt.
If you think gold is just for weddings, you are making a huge mistake. What if I told you that ignoring gold would be the biggest financial blunder of your life?
So now let's break down how to invest in gold, silver and other precious metal one by one. By the way, if you want a detailed guidance how to invest in gold, how to invest in silver, how to invest in other precious metal, please comment gold, silver or precious metal in the comment section. And if you want your personalized investment in gold, silver or other precious metal, you may contact me through my WhatsApp number, email ID or the Google form that has been given in the description box.
My driver Jamaluddin once asked me in 2010, Sahab, gold तो महंगा है पर silver कैसा है? I smiled and said, भाई, silver is the future, but you need patience.
Jamaluddin took my advice and he invested 3,000 rupees of silver. The silver was then 28 rupees per gram and today silver is 3 times than that price.
Imagine putting just rupees 10,000 in silver today and seeing it turn into 25,000 or 50,000 in few years. Wouldn't that be exciting?
So exactly how to buy gold or silver? Here is the strategy. By the way, who watched the full video? I have a surprise near the end, so don't skip, see the full video.
Gold versus silver, which one is better? Gold equal to stability, silver equal to growth. Gold is for wealth preservation, silver is for smart gains. Gold has limited industrial use, silver is used in electrical vehicles, solar panels and 5G tech.
What if I told you there is a better option that you don't have to store gold or silver at your home, but you can still invest in gold and silver?
Digital gold, gold ETF and sovereign gold bonds. My colleague's 10 lakh gold ETF strategy.
Senior doctor once told me, Dhiman, I don't believe in stocks, those are risky. I asked him, have you heard of gold ETF? I told him, gold ETF is investing in gold without even touching the gold coin. No risk of theft, no locker charges, no making charges, but you can still invest in gold and it's very much profitable.
मतलब गोल्ड भी रहेगा और टेंशन भी नहीं. ये तो बिल्कुल वाइफ और गर्लफ्रेंड दोनों मैनेज करना जैसा है. कमिटमेंट भी और फ्रीडम भी. Fast forward 5 years, his 10 lakhs in gold ETF is now 19 lakh.
Just imagine, he never touched a single gold coin in his life but gained so much in gold. Now coming to the best part of the video, I am going to discuss two different and hidden gems. Those are not gold and silver, these are platinum and palladium, the hidden gems of other precious metals.
A late night call from the US, my doctor friend's voice trembling in November 2024. Dhiman, I should have listened to you.
Phone rang at midnight. USA-based friend who has a lot of money but no time to study different kind of investment called me.
Months ago, I had told him about two metals rarer than gold, platinum and palladium. Platinum is rarer than gold, I had explained. Palladium is fueling the electrical vehicle revolution. Both have outperformed gold in certain years, but barely anyone talks about them. His reply back then, a casual laugh, ha 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 ha, Dhiman, I don't have time to track such exotic investments. Fast forward to today, platinum surged, palladium skyrocketed, its potential $50,000 investment could have been worth $500,000. I kept hearing about gold, stocks, even Bitcoin, but no one ever told me about this metal, he said, his voice filled with regret.
You could be the next one to miss out. When the whole world is running after gold, stocks, Bitcoin, you can invest in these two precious metals, and in most of the years, these two precious metals, they have given more return than gold. Did you know it? Please comment. But how to invest?
Through commodity exchange and ETFs. If you want detailed ideas about these metals, you can WhatsApp me on my WhatsApp number and email ID, and also fill up the Google form in the description box. I shall try to guide you thoroughly. The question is, will you act now, or will you be the next one calling me with regret?
Will you invest now, or you regret like my friend did it 2004 or 2024? Please let me know in the comment section. Here comes the surprise. If you want to know where and how you can invest in gold and silver, I have made a detailed note in the description box. Go and get the link, download it, you will get everything. And if you want direct advice from me, please contact me, fill up the Google form below and contact me on WhatsApp and my email ID.
Now you know how to invest in gold, silver and even platinum and palladium. And if you want to know how to protect your wealth in tough times, watch this video on the screen. Otherwise, you can watch the full guide on mutual fund investments. Thank you.